Hi guys, and welcome to another edition of the Software Spotlight video series that is published every Thursday, where we go through and introduce to you a two-function feature application software extension, something that's going to help improve and enhance your day-to-day digital marketing performance. So today we're going to be talking about redirects, and specifically about 301 redirects. Now, 301 redirects is only just one of many different types of redirects that are out there, but it's one that is perhaps most talked about and most important from an SEO point of view. Yeah. So 301 redirects are used to transfer value permanently from one web address to another. Okay. So there are various different situations you can use to do this. For example, if you're closing one page down, you're opening another one, or perhaps you're moving an entire website from one URL to another, or from one structure to another, or if you're just shutting down that page, I mean that product maybe no longer exists, right? And you don't want to have that page, and when you close that down, right, then you can actually use 301s to point the Google search engine in the right direction. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you quickly how to determine if there is a 301 redirect on a page, right? So I'm going to go through actually not just one, but two tools, right, that will help you do this. So one will help you to locate a chain of redirects, right? And the second tool will help you to discover redirects in bulk. Okay, so for example, more than just one URL at a time. Okay, so first of all, we're going to go with chain redirect. So what is a chain redirect? Meaning, if we had a redirect, say from page A to page B, right? That's a single 301 redirect. Okay, but what happens if page B now, right, has a 301 redirect to page C? So in effect, A will jump to B, which will automatically jump to C. So if you have two or more, that's what we call a redirect chain, right? Because there's more than one redirect now. So a lot of people don't know that sometimes when some tools say, oh, it's a 301 redirect, they only show one redirect, right? It might not be the case. There actually might be 2 or 3 or 4 or more redirect steps or hops in between that. Okay, so the quickest way for you to figure it out, if indeed a website does have a redirect chain, is to use our Phoenix SEO tool. So I'm going to bring it up now. Okay, so this is our website. Now we created a dummy redirect chain, so I'm going to show here. So if you hit that, right, and then just notice on the top right hand side you have the Phoenix SEO app. So just watch what happens. Okay, so first of all, you see here straight away it says 301 in blue, okay, and you notice that the page is actually the same. So this has been done intentionally because even though everything looks the same, there is in fact 2 redirects that already occurred from when we clicked to when the page is completely loaded. Okay, but you can't actually tell. But with the tool, with the Phoenix SEO tool, you can. So you click on there, and then you go to HTTP header status, and you can see that there is the first jump, right? So we actually went from ignitesearch.com.au/first redirect to this URL, which is ignitesearch.com.au/second redirect. And then there is a second jump, right? Second 301 redirect jump from /second redirect back to ignitesearch.com.au. Yeah. So if you're ever unsure as to whether or not a page has a redirect, a single page, right, all you need to do is make sure that you install the Phoenix SEO tool, and then load the page up. If the top right hand corner comes out and says 301, right, you click on it, and then if you go to the HTTP header status, it will show you the redirect journey. Okay, so that's for a single link. Okay, a single link to have a look at its redirect journey. Now, how about if you had a different situation whereby perhaps you didn't really need to know the full redirect chain, you just need to know what the next step was, but in fact you needed to do this for not just one page, but say for example 10 or 12 or 13 pages, right? Now that's where Screaming Frog comes into play. So Screaming Frog is great for this. For those who don't know, Screaming Frog is a crawling software. Originally started as a crawling software, but ever since then, right, it has actually evolved and has been improved to a point where it can actually help with many aspects of SEO. So what you can do is in Screaming Frog, you can actually check for URLs. You can check also the redirects as well. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that well, you can do it two ways. Spider means you can crawl an entire website, or you can go list. List meaning you choose exactly what URL you want to crawl. So for example, we're going to crawl ignitesearch.com/first redirect. Okay, it says here, started reading, completed reading one, found one URLs. Great, boom. So it says here, okay. So the first thing you see is that so you want to be on the response code tab, right? You can be on internal, but it will not show you most information. So response code is probably the best one. So you go here, it says status code 301, okay? Status moved permanently, okay, as we mentioned before, permanent. And then it says here, redirect, second redirect, okay? Second redirect. So it only picks up the first jump. Now, if you want to check it again, right? You can say respider. Okay, so that's the first one. Now, if you want to check this one, you go copy, enter manually, and put second redirect, and then it goes there. Okay, so second redirect moved permanently, and then it has moved to ignitesearch.com.au. Okay, so in effect, you can actually do this for a lot of URLs, a huge chunk of URLs at the one time. So definitely recommend Screaming Frog for bulk redirect checking, right? And we recommend Phoenix SEO for single URL checking, especially if you want to make sure that there are no one or two or three or more redirects within it, meaning you want to have a look at the entire redirect chain. Okay, so so that's just a quick introduction into 301 redirects and how to look out for them, right? The two. So remember Phoenix SEO, right, for single URLs, individual URLs, but you want to have a look at the entire redirect chain journey. And then the second one is Screaming Frog, where you might want to just look at the first jump, the first 301 hop, right? But you can do so for many URLs at the one time. So hope that was helpful, and yeah, thanks for watching. We'll see you next week.